As you can see, we have completed the installation of door automation kit for cold room. This operates on a remote, the operation of which the door opens. There is a single phase motor right over there and a supporting pulley over here. The motor and supporting pulley are connected to each other through a belt. As the motor operates, the belt forces the pulley and the door opens. Also, we can see a beam detector which is installed at the door, which does not allow the door to open or close when there is an interference. As you can see, the door is still open. Once we move out of the way of the sensor, the door starts closing. The door can be operated from either ways, from inside or outside.